If you are not makeup savvy, do not click off of this video because you don't have to be makeup savvy to achieve any of these looks.
So why don't you stay? I know it's late, but I'm feeling great, and you feel the same. So why don't you stay? I need you to stay.
It's Angie Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you, and today I am here to confess that I have an addiction, kind of, a mild one. If you guys did not see last week's video, you can go check that out, but it was actually my first time playing Among Us. Also, if you haven't yet, go down there and hit that subscribe button. I played Among Us for the first time. I played it was rough to watch, and at the end of it, I said I'm probably deleting the game. I did delete the game, and then I wanted to play with some friends. And that's my game now, y'all. That's my game. So I've been seeing this game go around everywhere on YouTube. Everywhere. Everyone's playing it, and as you should. It is a fun game. If you haven't played it, go play it because it's so fun. Basically, it's kind of like Mafia. 1 person, 2 person, or 3 people are the imposters, which are the killers, and your team has to find the crewmates, which is the people who aren't the imposters, have to figure out who is the imposter, and the imposter goes around killing people in the game secretly. Okay, you get my drift? So I've been watching and trying to figure out ways I can incorporate this into another YouTube video because it's just another excuse to play it, you know? I actually watched Sylvia Gagne's video. If you haven't seen that, go check it out, and it's her doing Among Us chooses her makeup. So I decided to kind of do that, but add a twist to it, and I'm going to do Among Us chooses my Halloween makeup. Since Halloween is just around the corner and I want to get a Halloween video up because I suck at doing seasonal videos. So how we're going to do it, we are going to play the game. I'm going to try to get 3 looks out of this. I was thinking of how I want to do this, but from some videos I've seen, it's usually the first one who dies. That's how it's going to be. So if you don't really get what I'm saying, if a black crewmate dies, then I have to do my Halloween makeup designed around a black costume, whatever that may be. Let's just jump into the video and let's play some Among Us. So, 10 people in here. We're gonna get started. Ooh, I'm green. Okay. I don't want to be an imposter. Okay, I'm a crewmate. Cool. There's 3 imposters, and I'm sorry to my team, but I'm kind of just gonna sacrifice myself for you guys, and I'm just gonna literally just run around. Also, can someone explain to me why turquoise is called CN? Okay, I'm gonna need someone to kill me, please and thank you. It's this one. Oh, yellow is the first one dead. Awesome. I figured out what I'm going to do as my yellow. Do I tell you guys, or should you guys just like figure it out? I'm going to be using this black eyeliner, and we're going to outline our top lip. You guys see how like easily this glides? This is actually a YSL eyeliner. I got it as a gift because my birthday is next week. An early birthday gift. They're cute. And then we're gonna do one on the nose. This one's just so easy. And then we're gonna do like a little. That looks horrible. Y'all don't want to see this side anyway, trust me. We're gonna put like a sprinkle of this kind of goldish color on my lid. Just a sprinkle. We're not going too crazy. We got one more thing to do that completes the look, and then take this Morphe palette. Y'all know? Here. 1 second. Y'all get it? I'm Pikachu! Also, you guys can get like, put like little black piece of paper right here and it'll complete it, and it's like an easy go-to last minute Halloween costume. You just need like a yellow t-shirt or a yellow almond one and you are Gucci. How are we feeling? I feel like it's not too bad. This is cute. You got the cool little eyes right there. So if y'all love Pikachu, get you this easy, quick, affordable makeup look. This is look number 1. Am I gonna be an imposter? I hope not. If I am, I'm just going to, maybe I'll kill somebody. Imposter. I don't know who I want to kill because I'm not trying to win. I'm just trying to, kills are fun. I just want to do one. I just tried killing in front of everyone. Doop. White is killed. Doop, doop, doop. Oh, we won already. So white. White. Okay, I think. I don't know. I'm going to do the emphasis on last minute. I'm about to do this one. So if it looks a little raunchy, I'm emphasizing last minute. So my face is about to look ashy right now. I'm just using this white on this old palette and I'm drenching my entire face. We want to look ashy today. It's not usually ideally what we would do, but today we want to look ashy. We are fulfilling that request of mine. My skin is getting all the TLC it deserves after this video. So I'm doing this quickly, not only because they're last minute, but because, guys, I'm trying to beat the sun, so this is perfect. If you're doing last minute makeup, hello, last minute usually means like you just got called to go to a Halloween party, so you need something to make it look like you got done up. Yeah, just dip your brush in white and go all over your face. So with this brush, I'm going to get some black. Ooh, that's a lot, and I know there's a lot of fallout, and we're gonna keep the fallout because we want just black all around my eye. On over the lid, all the way top to the brow bone. Do you guys want to come in closer? I feel like I do a discredit when I make you guys look so far away. Underneath the eye as well. We want the eyes to look sunken. We want to look sick. I'm pretty sure at this point you guys know what look I'm going for. You see, we don't need to do perfection here. If you need a last minute, this is truly what I mean when I see last minute titles on YouTube. I expect something like this. And I do it messily. It doesn't have to look good. Some people like to do it like perfectly round under the eyes. We don't need that. See, I look sick and scary already. And then we're gonna take this black and we are going to make a nose, just like that, you see? And then we're going to round it out. Okay. You see? And then we're going to do the mouth. The mouth really is preference for everyone. I'm going to blacken the inside of my lips. I'm going to be using some eyeshadow. Dip it all up in my black. So it kind of looks like a stitched mouth. Ta-da! And I'll be right back with an outfit change. Ta-da! I put a white tank. This one really is personal preference. You can use a black tank top or a white tank top. I'm using white. And this is my skeleton look. You can actually put more black, or you can kind of blend out that liner a little bit so it doesn't look as harsh. I'm telling you, these looks are taking less than 5-10 minutes. That's how quick they can be. So, you in a last minute rush, you can jump onto this look. I look crazy. I look absolutely crazy. And let's go on to the last look. One more to go. Crewmate, cool. Ugh, emergency meeting. Why? Red was the first one dead? Not with the last look. I feel like I've been here forever. Let's get to it. I feel like this is like an iconic look for most Halloweens. It's iconic. Like, people are always doing this look. Our last one, a character was a red that died. So I definitely had to get a little creative with this. That's kind of enough red. And I'm actually gonna use a liquid liner for this one. I think it'll just look way better with a liquid liner, just probably for the outline. This one's lopsided big time, but it's okay. I'm not stressing. These are last minute looks. Nobody has time to perfect them. And we're going to do another. I think all my looks have this. And you guys should know what it is by just this little tweak. And I'm actually going to be taking some red lipstick. This is actually a Revlon Super Luxurious lipstick in Black Cherry. This is exactly what I want. I want a dark red that kind of looks like bruised and bloody. And what I actually am going to do as well is I'm going to outline my lips in black. And I think some black liner will work fine for that. It definitely looks devilish. Whew, look at that. That looks kind of freaky. We're living for that one. I love it. This one's definitely my favorite one because of like this devilish look. You can do so much with it. And I'm gonna take black and start filling in these horns. And actually we can put some eyeliner at the top, just like a really quick strip, and you can actually bring them into the eyes if you want to. This one is really your preference. I just think it connects it better personally. Why did I say it like that, personally? But it's truly up to you how you want your double up to look. I feel like I need to add something more. Maybe I can bring these down a little more actually. That is it. I look like a clown, but I also look like a damn devil, for real. And how you want to wear this look is up to you. I'll be right back. Ta-da! I'm just wearing this one piece, cute outfit. You see how you can like zhuzh it up and make it cute? That is what we're showing you here. So this is the last one. This is the red look. We got some devilness going on for the last one. I'm gonna take this off and I'll be right back with you guys to do the outro. I don't know how I did all three of those looks, but I did it. I just want to reiterate that these looks are for anybody. You do not have to be makeup savvy to get these looks right. That's why I made them quick and easy. And hello, I did them real quick, if I do say so myself. So thank you Among Us for helping me choose my Halloween makeup. What are you guys being for Halloween this year? I want to know. Honestly, with everything going on, I don't know if I'm going to participate in Halloween this year. I don't have anything going on. I know my friend was going to do a Halloween party, but I don't know if that's still a thing, like little Halloween little thing with like friends we know. So I don't know if that's still happening, and if that's not happening, I think I'm just chilling for Halloween. Maybe I'll get some discounted candy or something, but let me know what you guys are doing. But I think that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Look out for next week because Sunday is my birthday, so I'm hoping I can get a birthday vlog out for you guys. Oh, turn into the big 22. It's just a boring year. I feel like 22 is so boring and there's nothing interesting about it. But thank you guys so much for watching again. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Remember to be humble and always remember, self-love is the best love, and it's not goodbye, it's see you Friday. Bye guys. Mwah. Bye.
Enjoyed your time. Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.